Hey guys, it's me Fara here.
Me, Aiesya here.
And today we are back with an exciting video which you all have requested a lot. And I know you guys are like kind of getting bored of packages all the time. So we are back with another
Chocolate.
With another
Scuba chocolate.
Another Squid. Has been requested a lot by some of you guys, but it was also kind of Aisha's idea, which is the
Squishes shop.
Thank you to subscribe and click the like button. Without keeping this intro long, without further ado, let's get started! I hate school. I have to do homework. Who does homework anyway? I'm just gonna go squish some squishies. Squishies are so boring. I need to get new ones. I know, I'll just search up some stores because, yeah. Let's see. To the internet. Squishy shops and Oreo Land. Oh, let's see this shop. Come and buy my squishy Oreo squishies shop. That is totally not a suspicious and weird name. I'm going to go search that up on GPS. Let's go. It says the GPS. It's over here. Oh. Is this please buy my squishy Oreo squishies thing?
What? I've never expected a customer coming.
So, what about this? What's so good?
Squishy heaven. You can buy one too, but you have to pay.
These squishies are all defected.
Not all, honey.
I think I'm just gonna go.
No, leave.
Okay, okay.
Look over here. It has squishies. Look over here. My room tiger. Look over here. I'm a preacher. Squishy. Follow me.
I think I wanna just stay here. I'll buy some squishies. Yeah, sure.
No. Come with me. Follow me. There's more fun stuff in my squishies. Trust me. You see here? Cat food. Squish. I'm just gonna picture a nice, lovely meal.
I don't think I really want.
Eat it!
Wait. Where are we?
Oh, this is my favorite magazine. I've been expecting you to. You, Aiesya, been a very bad shop owner stealing squishies from other shops.
Hold up! Wait! So I was about to buy stolen squishies? No!
Original. Both, be quiet. Very, very bad people.
I'm so sorry, please.
Go out of the way! Stop, both of you. You're very bad. You shouldn't be doing this. I'm going to transport you back both to the beginning. And don't tell anyone about what happened today.
Oh, I'm back in my house. Oh, sweet Lord. I can't tell anyone about what happened today. A crazy shopkeeper! Oh, editing wait, no, okay. Used to package outros. So that was everything for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed and it was really fun to film. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!